A vast majority of cryptocurrencies were suffering from losses yesterday, after last weekend's recent spikes in value. Bitcoin Core (BTC) prices have dropped since touching the $13,000 zone back down to the $10,000 region, while most of the digital asset markets were also down yesterday are up now. At the moment BTC has climbed just above the $11,300 zone and bulls are trying to hold that value. Also read, U.S. rating agency to issue Bitcoin and cryptocurrency grades Wednesday. The downward price trend continues. Many cryptocurrency enthusiasts are wondering when the price dips will stop this year. American Samoa 2018 has seen bearish sentiment across all the digital asset markets. The drop in value was followed by 2017's meteoric year of constant bull runs. Since reaching a high of $19,000, BTC prices have been trending lower with a few slight bounces back up in between. At the moment BTC/USD markets show an average of $11,300 per BTC and trade volume is rather flat, with only $10 being swapped over the past 24 hours. This morning bulls have been relentlessly trying to retest the $11,000 region following a few prior failed attempts. Right now the top 5 exchanges trading the most BTC includes Bitfinex, OKEx, Binance, Upbit, and DAX. The USD has jumped past the Japanese yen once again as the most traded national currency traded with Bitcoin Core markets. The top 5 nation-state-issued currencies traded with BTC includes the USD, JPY, EUR, and the KRW. Tether USDT is the third currency within that lineup that's not a national currency tied to a specific country. BTC/USD technical indicators. Looking at BTC/USD weekly, daily and hourly charts show bears currently have the reins right now. Two simple moving averages are still spread apart, with the 100 SMA below the long-term 200 trendline. This usually indicates some more downward action is in the cards unless the price can find support. Using Fibonacci extensions at 38.2% through 61.8% reveals a sell-off could lead to anywhere between $9,200 and even lower at $8,500. Or books on the backside show similar foundational support if the price breaks below $10,100. BTC/USD RSI and stochastic levels on January 23, 2018. On the flip side, if buyers can manage to muster up some inner strength, then the path to $12,000 has little resistance at press time. The bounce back at 12 p.m. EDT to the $11,150 range has given some traders hope. However, the issue with this specific downward trend is more correlated with lower volume than resistance at higher price ranges. RSI and stochastic have headed southbound but seem like they might bounce back upwards shortly. Right now bulls are charging with extreme fervor. The midday spike shows BTC/USD market prices are averaging $11,300 at 12 p.m. EDT on January 23, 2018. Bitcoin Cash prices are following BTC's market patterns. Bitcoin Cash (BCH) markets have been following a similar pattern towards lower fiat values. Today 1 BCH is averaging around $1,720 per token with $638 MN in global trade volume. The top 5 exchanges swapping the most Bitcoin Cash today includes HITC, OKEx, Bitfinex, Bithumb, and Huobi. BCH is currently holding the 6th highest 24-hour global trade volume, just below the EOS token. At the moment the top 5 currencies traded with Bitcoin Cash includes BTC, USD, USDT, KRW, and EUR. At the moment, BTC accounts for over 50% of the BCH trades today. BCH/USD technical indicators. BCH charts are very similar to BTC charts, and there's been a significant correlation between both markets these past few weeks. Short and long-term SMA reveal the same findings, with the 100 SMA below the 200 indicating some lower BCH prices could happen as well. Bitcoin Cash RSI and stochastic oscillators are no different, as levels are pretty low but show room for improvement. Order books show that if BCH bulls can break resistance at $1,850, there's a good chance even higher prices could follow. On the backside, however, Unlike BTC charts, BCH shows some substantial support zones, between current prices all the way to $1,300. BCH/USD market prices are averaging $1,720 at 12 p.m. EDT on January 23, 2018. The top crypto assets overall. Most of the top cryptocurrencies are in the green right now, in contrast to yesterday's performance. Out of the top 5, the second largest market capitalization is held by Ethereum, ETH, which is up 1.99% with an average price at $999 per ETH. Ripple, XRP, prices are up 12% as 1 XRP is trading at $1.38. Lastly, the 5th position is still held by Cardano, ADA, as markets are up 3%, which places ADA prices around 56 cents per token. The top 10 cryptocurrencies except for EOS are in the green. With the current political climate and regulatory crackdowns, crypto forecasts are skewed at the moment. Predictions on where cryptocurrency prices are headed are skewed. South Korea has caused a lot of fear and uncertainty that has seemingly affected markets a great deal. Further, digital asset prices spiked during the U.S. government shutdown while traditional stocks and bonds were shaken. U.S. investors may be jumping back into traditional markets that have begun to rise again now that the U.S. has decided to end the shutdown. With global markets aside, regulations have been concerning a lot of cryptocurrency enthusiasts these days, which has been eclipsing market optimism this year. However, Tuesday afternoon's midday rally is showing things may be looking up for the rest of the week. Where do you see the price of BTC, BCH and other digital assets heading from here? Do you think cryptocurrencies will see more gains? Let us know in the comments below. Disclaimer: price articles and markets updates are intended for informational purposes only and should not be considered as trading advice. Neither Bitcoin.com nor the author is responsible for any losses or gains, as the ultimate decision to conduct a trade is made by the reader. Always remember that only those in possession of the private keys are in control of the money. Images via Shutterstock, Bitstamp, Bitcoin Wisdom, and CoinMarketCap. Want to create your own secure cold storage paper wallet? Check our tool